If you have a complicated graphic like this and you need to remove a solid white background, then don't ever think about background eraser tool or making complicated selections. You can do it by just one click. So let's see how. At first, select the magic eraser tool from here and set the tolerance to 32 and opacity to 100. And now the most important setting for this tutorial. Make sure contiguous is unchecked. Contiguous basically means it controls whether Photoshop removes only connected pixels or all similar pixels across the image. Since we want to remove all the white areas everywhere, we keep it unchecked. And now just click on any white part of your image and it's done. The white background is instantly removed. And now you can place any background you want, or you can just save it as a PNG for future use. For this, go to the file, save as, and set the format to PNG and click on save, and it's done. I will love this video if you did. Hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.